Okay, so I am back. I had to take a little break. NIGHTDUST still looks cute, but now we're going against this fat hairy monster. I think it. I don't know why I didn't read that a lot, but I did. Yay. Rar. Nay. Snort. Rar rar. Oh yeah. You just stepped on a pigeon! You disgraced a human being? No, Emma, he's running away. Come on, we need to go after him. He ran. Where did he run? Okay, there's no sparkly water. I know that he stepped on a pigeon and I'm upset. I'm disappointed in him right now. Sorry if you can hear my keyboard and stuff, like like clicking and stuff. I'm sorry. I have no life right now. Oh my god, it's just hearing him. Everybody's acting like it's a normal day. Those people are dancing over there like retards. Sorry, I didn't read that out loud. If only I could just... Oh. I'm an idiot. Are you with me? No, I'm not with you. In real life, I would be screaming and running. Sorry, my fingers need to pop. I don't think sorry too much. I am an idiot. I am such an idiot. Oh yeah, that's what she was doing while we were running, but I didn't film that. I didn't think I filmed that. Starting to think I didn't. Half the time, like every single time we shop, she would go like that and then move her hands like bleh. This is me when I wake up. In real life, that's actually what I look like, I think. Yeah, I'm just like not the weird. I'm just like I'm a potato with a weave on. I'm kidding. I'm a potato with hair and glasses and braces. Yay! But anyway, we're gonna stop talking about my potato self, and we're going to continue with this thing. But yeah, oh my god, this one off, it scared me. Rar. Nay. Oh my god, I love that new picture. Like, oops. Like, that picture is ew, but the picture of NIGHTDUST, that's so pretty. Hi. That scared me again. When I get scared, I say hi. Where is... Are we supposed to avoid him now? Are you... No. You're kidding me, right? You're just kidding me. Hee hee. You're just kidding. You're just joking. It's joking. I better be joking or else I'm gonna be upset. It's not joking with me. We literally have to avoid him, which is hard for me. I know Herman's scared. We're all scared. What happened? I'm just... Oh, I didn't run fast enough. Okay, that's what happened. That will be happening. Yo. Oh, okay. Oh, also, from now on, you will forever hear a hermit crab moving around, because I don't think I mentioned that I got him, last night, or, no, not last night, yesterday, and he's, like, the most beautiful, okay, hold on, the most sweetest and, like, beautiful thing you've ever seen in your life, or at least to me, yeah. Oh my god! I stand still, and he just came after me. I was gonna try filming and be like, oh, I'm gonna be quiet just for a couple of seconds. But no, he came beast on me, so I'm not gonna record it all. Because that took forever. Yes, it did it. He's like so cute. I gotta get a picture real quick. That's all the picture, okay. I'm just gonna get a picture real quick. I'm gonna blur Madison out. Oh my god, I forgot how to zoom in now. Okay, we're good. Now we can continue. Sorry, I had to. You kidding me? You're actually kidding me. He's behind the gate. Phew. Nay, snort, nay. I don't know how to do horse noises. Madison, Emma, Dad, rar. Mr. Arrow? Is that you? Rar. Madison, Emma. Emma, I think it's time to go. Rar. But. Sorry, I had a song stuck in my head, and it goes but. And then the rest of the part I don't understand. But, yeah, I don't. I'm actually scared now. Just, you know, cruising in a panic. That's how I'm rendering. Okay. Everyone else has PE with it. Yeah, everybody else has PE. You have sometimes weird PE. That's scary. Madison, get behind me. We're not spinning right now. We need to do something about him. Or, the cage. Yeah. Yay, she actually is being smart for once. You moving around her? He's just sliding. Nay. Nods. I don't think I was nodding. Oh yeah, I forgot. I completely forgot. Don't run into him or else you will be doomed. Nay. Wow. If you move too soon, run into the cage. Just stay still, just for a little bit more. Trying to move now. I ran into him, I think. I ran into him. Okay, hold on, we're gonna have to redo that. Okay, now let's redo this. Going this way is comfortable for me. But I ran into him. Sorry, the whole point of this was me supposed to be doing this, but I'm paying attention to something else. Okay. I hope it doesn't turn around. That's supposed to be edge here. I'm sorry, I'm not reading out loud. Yay! Carl was actually kind of nice, but I guess we're drawn now. Emma, quickly, you need to close the door. Yeah, that wasn't me. Right now, I just feel like I want to go home and sleep for a week. Art. Ever heard my baby Coco? Sorry, I'm gonna go check on her in just a minute. Madison, Ark. Where are you? Ark? Did I just say Ark? I'm not Ark. Oh, sorry. Holly. Yay. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, I can't think today. Big photo. Rar. Is that? It's the stupid here. You have to see me and Emma. We protected and okay, sorry, I don't like reading out loud because I'm dyslexic. And I pronounce words wrong, so pretty much I'm just like nervous that everyone's gonna be like, you pronounced that wrong. It's I can't even say it correctly, but this color right here, I say yeller instead of, again, I don't know how to say it. Oh, I just moved my camera. So after I get all these pieces back, and I'm gonna film again. And was that the last one? Great. I said great. As I say, let's go home. Cheeks to Curtis for the day. I like this quest. Oh my horse. All horses and humans aboard. Aboard? NIGHTDUST. We're going home. Yay. Home. I feel like. Okay, so I was about to quit, but then I saw this. Dark? Oh my god, he's a part of this? Poor Carl's getting pushed off the boat twice. Poor Carl. First. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I'm not even reading. Okay, so I finally have dark magic, so I'm going to end the video. Right here. Hope you enjoyed this video, comment if you did, and comment if you want to see more. Bye!